On a beautiful sunny fall afternoon in early November, I decided to go down to 20 Mile Creek near to where I live, and I heard that the salmon were running, and here they are. Kind of close quarters here, yeah? Wow, you got lots of puppies. I'm doing all right. How are you? After passing a few people along the way, I go further down, and here I am, taking some shots of the salmon as they swim up the river, and they're in their spawning mode right now in southern Ontario. The water is a bit cloudy in spots, and it makes it a bit difficult for me to spot some of the fish as they swim along, but you can see there that there are a few that are swimming up and doing their thing. I spotted this guy making a beeline up the creek. I'm not sure if you can see him there, but he goes up pretty fast, and then he comes right back down, it seems. The lady I saw earlier on the trail with all the dogs, I spotted her here. One of the dogs were in the creek. Must have been pretty cold, but he got out, and we made our way back up the side of the creek and into the car park. And that was the end of my afternoon.